Nice picture. Nice picture. None? This one. This one.
Bilis naman.
Hindi nakatingin eh. This one. This one. Which one? Choose Yumi. One only. Point only.
May mga katawan niya sa kanila.
Get plate. Get yung sabi puro buhok. Get plate. Mabilis get na lang the plate. What do you like?
Oh! Galing!
Sabi niya, sige na nga, eto na lang.
Ano gusto mo? Ano gusto mo?
Get the plate, get the plate.
Strategic eh.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ayan, yan.
Ito, walang bias to, walang bias.
Dapat pala may letters eh. Kung may letters sana.
This one. Look at the drawing. This one.
Piliin nyo eh.
This one. This one. This one. Which one do you like?
Ayun.
Get the plate.
Get the plate.
Get the plate. Get the plate. Okay. Ayaw.
Dapat nilagyan niyo ng letter. Nilagyan niyo sana ng letter yan. Eto, again.
Na-pressure. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya kunin.
Ingay ni Mami, sir. Ichiban kawaii wa. Ichiban kawaii wa. Ichiban kawaii wa.
Gucci.
Oy! Arigato!
May sariling desisyon. Yan. Anak namin yan. May sariling desisyon.
May taste. May ano.
Meron kayong parokyano ah.
You will choose the best picture. For you, which one is the cutest? That's a baby. That's supposed to be a baby.
If that does not look a baby, don't pick ah.
Sorry ka na.
Sorry ka na.
Fun.
Sorry ka na. No, that's potato child!
Wala ka influence dun ah.
Mr. Potato.
Kaya mo siya, bigyan natin sila ng right to
Freedom. Freedom to choose.
Right to vote.
Sorry.
Which one is which one is
Choose the potato
cutest?
child.
Kawai.
Choose the snowman.
Anak, piliin mo. Anak,
Snowman.
piliin mo yung kapatid mo.
Snow child.
Go, Renny. Kawaii baby. Which one, Renny? Go. Choose. Which one is the point lang, baby? Point. Which one?
Where's red? Where's color red? Where's color red?
Point, Renny. Go. Get the point.
Dapat, the potato child.
Kahit bata
Ito yung mascot.
paborito na lang ang potato pag kahit bata ano.
Santo.
Ako ito, ano?
Pizza malabasa.
Dos.
Maos ito eh. Baby ang kuya, which is the cutest?
Simon says...
Potato child.
Anak, mag-isip-isip ka.
Thank you.
Snowman.
Snowman. It's Christmas time.
Ito tayo. 2 points! Yay!
Napila yung sa'yo ma.
Sumayaw.
Ay, kala ko pirma lang yan. Hindi ba pirma lang yan?
Parang pirma eh. Meron pa mga square.
Pakita daw.
Curly
Si
bracelet.
Potato Baby.